got a bag of Fritos in the casserole dish. It's a 13 by 9. And then I've got a pound of ground beef that I cooked up beforehand. So I love like buying like ground beef in bulk and then cutting it up and making little 1 pound bags so they're ready to go for recipes like this. So on top of that, we are going to be seasoning that ground beef because it has no salt or pepper. We're going to be adding some taco seasoning. So we're just going to sprinkle that all over. Now that we have all the taco seasoning mix, I'm going to be adding some refried beans. And this is a big can, so if you can't find the big can, then get 2 of the little cans. But let's see if I can get this out. Ooh. Okay, that's funny. So we're going to take the refried beans and mush it around. Once that is done, we're going to be adding some chopped up onions. I like using the frozen kind because I don't like cutting up onions. Just use like, you know, half a bag. I'm going to be covering the whole thing with enchilada sauce. So let me go ahead and pop this. Ooh. The other side as well. Make sure I'm not making a mess. And then we're going to pour it all over. So then we're going to be adding some nacho blend cheese. That goes right on top. We're going to go even cheesier by adding a Mexican style cheese blend. So that's going to go on top as well. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. Probably not even that, because all you're doing is just really just melting the refried beans. You're heating the refried beans and you're melting the cheese. Ooh, look at this. So I popped the broiler on for a couple minutes just to get the top all brown and crusty. But I want to do a taste test so bad. Ooh, look at how it's not even like a cheese pull, it's like a cheese bounce. Maybe I think that's a new trend. Does your cheese bounce? Ooh, look at that. It actually holds together. I thought with the Fritos it was gonna like be all like fall apart. I'm gonna put a little bit of sour cream on top. Ooh, just like that, because you know, little sour cream cools it right down. Do a little taste test. The Fritos and the refried beans and the ground beef. Ooh, taco seasoning and all that cheese. Ooh, I can see the steam coming off of it. That's really good. It's got like, you know, the corn chips on the bottom, but they've softened up. They are so good. Hot though. Super tasty, so easy to make. I dare ya, make this at home and see what your family says.